Hi, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use your cleansing oil. Now you can use it on all skin types daily in the morning and or evening, and it is fine to use the cleansing oil on its own. And it can help you to properly remove any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin, and even sunscreen and makeup. So it is very effective yet extremely gentle on the skin, and it helps to hydrate the skin. So what you want to make sure is that first of all, go ahead and grab your favorite cleansing oil and then use between 1 to 2 pumps, or more or less about a coin size amount, on the palm of your hand. Then massage your hands together, and then you're going to apply your cleansing oil to dry skin. Now if you're just trying to remove any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin, you can massage it over your face and neck for about 30 seconds to a minute, more or less. And if you're trying to remove your makeup and sunscreen as well, then you can take a bit longer. So go with 1 to 2 minutes, so that you have enough time to properly break everything down and to reach every corner, so that you're not going to miss any area. And so when gently massaging it over your face and neck, you can use your cleansing oil around the eyes as well. Same would apply to the lips. You can use it on your lips too, but make sure to not get it into your eyes nor into your mouth. If that's the case, gently rinse it with water. So once you have gently massaged it over your face and neck, you had enough time to properly reach into every corner. Now you can go ahead and rinse it with lukewarm water to warm water. Now you can do this by just using your hands. However, if you are being concerned about that it's going to leave a weird residue afterwards, or you may have broken down your sunscreen and makeup and you want to properly take it off the skin, I highly recommend working with a soft and fresh washcloth. Those makeup cloths or microfiber cloths that are very gentle on the skin but extremely effective in removing any residue from the skin surface, so that you can take everything properly off and that you won't experience the weird residue afterwards, but still have a very hydrating feeling at the end of the day. And so first of all, I'm going to rinse it off with lukewarm water. I'm trying to get most of it off with my hands, and then I'm going to wet the cloth in between to properly then take everything off the skin. So go ahead, take your cloth and then gently swipe it across your face and neck, and you can even use it around the eyes and on top of your lips. So, and now I recommend rinsing it again before you're going to pat the skin dry. Now go ahead, take a fresh towel and pat the skin dry. So, and this is how you can use your cleansing oil to properly wash your face. Now you can stop right here or continue with your usual skincare routine. Now if you enjoyed this video, if you find it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. And if you now maybe want to know how you can do a double cleanse or see a regular cleanse with a usual cleanser, or you may want to learn more about skincare in general, you will find some videos at the end of this video, but more of them on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring. Bye.